Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about dates, and I have some specific food and flavoring combinations that are known to pair well with dates. So if you're looking for some new ideas, hopefully this will help you out. The list is very long and it's been broken up into two parts. This is part 2. I have a link to part 1 below in the description box. Make sure you check it out so you can catch the entire list along the way. How about combining dates with dark chocolate? How about dates with lemon and oatmeal? That's an interesting combination. How about dates with nuts like walnuts, oats, and a sweetener like brown sugar or maple syrup? How about dates with oranges and sesame seeds? Or dates with Parmesan cheese, walnuts, or almonds? That's an interesting twist. How about dates with peanuts and vanilla? Or dates with roasted salted almonds? Or dates with soft cheese, as if you're stuffing those dates with the cheese. Or dates with tahini and sea salt. Take your dates and split them and add a little bit of tahini in there and sprinkle it very, very lightly with a little bit of sea salt and enjoy. Well, if you haven't checked out the part 1 video, check out the link below and you'll get a lot of interesting things to do with dates. I do hope this helps. Bye for now.